In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about using Basecamp effectively, with a focus on getting you up and running quickly. Whether you're completely new to Basecamp or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate its fundamental features with ease. Let's dive in and explore what you need to know to make the most of Basecamp basics. To start, we'll take a look at the home screen. This is the central hub where you'll see a list of all your projects. For quick and easy access, you have the ability to pin important projects right here. Use this feature to keep those key projects front and center. Also, consider utilizing shortcuts to speed up your navigation. These small efficiency tools can significantly streamline your workflow once you get the hang of them. Now, let's break down the concept of a project in Basecamp. Understanding what a project is and how it functions is crucial. Essentially, a project in Basecamp is a workspace where you and your team can collaborate on tasks, share files, discuss ideas, and track progress. Each project is self-contained, holding all the information relevant to that particular venture. If you're ready to start your own project, Basecamp makes it simple. You'll begin by choosing who will have access to this new project and how you'd like to configure the available tools. This flexibility allows you to tailor the workspace to suit your specific needs. Keep in mind the importance of setting appropriate access levels to ensure everyone on your team has the correct permissions. Speaking of your team, the next step is inviting team members to join your project. You can easily set permissions when sending out these invitations. This way, everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for and what they can access, promoting a certain level of transparency and efficiency within the team. Managing notifications is another crucial part of keeping your workflow organized and under control. Customizing notifications to meet your specific preferences will help you manage alerts effectively, ensuring you're only notified of the most relevant updates and changes. This can help reduce distraction and keep your focus on the tasks at hand. After mastering the basics, you might want to explore some advanced features Basecamp offers to enhance your productivity further. Delve into templates to simplify repetitive tasks, or use hill charts for tracking progress in a visual format. The card table is another fantastic way to organize tasks, while automatic check-ins keep everyone informed without needing extra meetings. These features and more provide additional layers of functionality to optimize how you manage your projects. With all these tips, you're now equipped with the knowledge to start using Basecamp efficiently. By focusing on learning the basics first and then gradually exploring more advanced features, you'll be able to harness the full potential of this powerful tool to keep your projects on track and your team well coordinated. Thanks for joining this tutorial, and happy project managing.